Welcome to instructional videos. Today we are going to connect two EuroFit barriers together using the EuroFit barrier connector kit. So the first thing you want to do is make sure both your barriers are completely set up. So to use the connector kit, we're just going to remove the feet from the barriers where we're going to connect the barriers together. So I'm going to connect my barriers together here, so I'm going to remove both of these feet. So you're just going to lift up on the graphic and using the push button, remove the feet. And you can just set the feet off to the side. Now that I have both feet removed and set off to the side, I'm going to use the EuroFit clear connectors to connect my barriers together. So we're just going to use the connectors and connect both together. When you're connecting the clips, you want to make sure that the clips are connected the same way. Now that I have my barriers connected using the clear clips, we're ready to connect the connector foot. So we're just going to align the connector foot to the poles on both barriers and use the push button to secure into place. And it's just that easy to connect together your EuroFit barriers using the EuroFit barrier connector kit. And what's great about the kit is you're able to connect the barriers at any angle.